If you want to remove the Google search bar at the bottom of the home screen on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then unfortunately it is not possible to do that with the default Pixel launcher that we have on our Google Pixel 10 Pro. Unfortunately, there simply is no option that allows you to get rid of this widget. So if you actually want to get rid of it, we need to change the launcher. You need to download a new launcher by using, for example, the Play Store, and then you can use that custom launcher on your phone. Of course, this will change your phone's home screen and the app drawer, so you have to keep that in mind. But if you don't want to have that Google search bar widget at all, then of course you can just search for some sort of launcher. So you can just type launcher over here and we can search for something in the Play Store. Now, I think the closest launcher to the look that we have right now, to the visuals that we have right now on our Google Pixel 10 Pro, is the Microsoft launcher. It is pretty similar in one way or the other. Of course, there are some other launchers that you can try out as well. I'm gonna use this one in this video in order to show you how it looks like, how to set it up, but feel free to try anything else if you want to. Other options are definitely more unique. So let's press open, press get started over here. We don't have to grant the access to location, but we can grant access to everything else if you want to. We can also tap over here to go to settings to get to provide the access to all files for the launcher. Over here we can choose the current wallpaper, or we can use Bing Daily Wallpaper. I'm just gonna stay with the current one. We can also sign in with Microsoft if you want to, but we can also skip over here in the bottom left corner, and here I'm just gonna tap not now. And after a few seconds we should see our new home screen. There we go, we are all set, so let's press let's go. Over here we can make some changes to the visuals, like we can change wallpapers, themes, and so on and so forth, but we're gonna just tap later over here. And here we also have an introduction to this screen over here where we have some summaries. But there we go, this is how the launcher looks like, definitely a little bit different. Over here we have our app drawer, and as you can see we also have this widget over here, this search bar, but we can actually get rid of it quite easily if you want to. So that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, it is definitely a little bit inconvenient that you have to use a custom launcher, but this is one of the ways to get rid of it, of the Google search bar. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.